So guys, we are having dinner in the Australian tropics at a wonderful hostel here in Cairns. And guess who came to dinner tonight?
Yay, our new friend from Japan.
And your name is?
I'm Serina.
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 Ah, nice to meet you, Serina.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks for joining us for our last supper.
Very good taste.
Thank you. Serena, why are you in Cairns? Why?
Why? I like hot weather.
Hot weather.
Hot weather.
What are you doing in Cairns?
What I'm doing?
Are you in school?
Yeah, I study English.
Oh, okay, cool. So did you have any other quick questions for this wonderful video? Because this is
Do
gonna
you
be
like your English class?
yeah,
Yes.
you were gonna be viewed all over the world.
You?
Yeah, you will be viewed all over the world. Yeah,
On YouTube.
yeah.
YouTube.
This video you'll be famous. All right, guys, enjoy your dinner and thanks for joining us.
Oh, let me tell them what we had tonight.
Oh yeah, quick.
Okay. I made barbecued jackfruit, which tastes like pork, but it's made from green vegetable. It comes in a can at Woolworths.
Yes.
And I just added an onion and some spices and soy sauce and teriyaki sauce and barbecue sauce. And then these are different kinds of cabbages and bell peppers on top. And then we have some steamed potatoes and Grazi's famous garden beans that we got at
You mean George's?
George's.
We're not in Pal Talk.
Yes. And then we have some vine ripened cherry tomatoes
From Rusty's Market.
with a very good hummus sauce. And
Awesome.
that is our dinner tonight here at the hostel that we are staying at in Cairns.
Yeah.
And we met this lovely girl, Serena, who is beautiful inside and out. And we invited her to have dinner with us out on the balcony.
Nice.
So this is the fall of 2023. And we're glad that you could join us. What do you like to do in Japan for fun?
You put her on the spot. She's trying to
know.
have her dinner.
This is good English conversation practice.
Maybe after dinner.
One thing that you love to do in Japan.
Japan. Hobby?
Yes, one hobby.
Dancing.
She loves dance.
Oh,
I love dance.
nice.
That's good. Very good.
All right, guys, we're gonna cut it now. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is me as well, here in Cairns. Hi. Hi and bye. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.